90 90 90 means, do you know what? 90% trader lose 90% of their money within the first 90 days of account opening. I'm sure you might be also in this list. Comment below yes or no. But wait, what about investors? I'm sure you might heard at least one time the name of Warren Buffett, who falls in the list of top 10 billionaire in the world right now, and also one of the greatest investor of all time. But you can't make any decision just by seeing the one side. You need to know everything so that you can make what is right for you, trading or investing. We are going to see everything about what is trading, what is investing, types of trading, risk and reward in trading and investing, time commitment and lifestyle of trading and investing, skills needed, psychological aspect, case studies, comparison of trading and investing, and the most important, how to choose what is for you, trading or investing, which will help you to save and also grow your wealth. And last, my personal experience and opinion. Let's see, first point, what is trading and investing? In simple words, trading refers to buying and selling of stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, or other financial securities for a small period of time with the goal of making a profit. Got it? Whereas in investing, investors hold the stock for longer duration in the intention of generating wealth. Second point, types of trading. Some of the types of trading are as follows. Number one, intraday trading. Number two, swing trading. Number three, scalping. Number four, positional trading. Number five, fundamental trading. Number six, technical trading. Number seven, delivery trading. Number eight, momentum trading. Now have a look third point. Risk and reward in trading and investing. Basically, you can say that trading is a very high risk, very high return game. Everyone knows that some people makes millions of dollars in few minutes in trading. Listen carefully what I said. Some people. That means either you make it or you lose it. And frankly speaking, the probability of losing your money in trading is 99%. Shocked? It's true. Look at this data. Only 1% trader after 5 years are in profit. That's why I said it is a very high risk, very high return game. In the contrast, investing do have risk, but if I compare with trading, it is not that much. So, investing, you can say high risk, high return, or medium risk, medium return, or low risk, low return, depending on your investment option you choose. Do you know what? You can make millions in investing also. But the good news is that with taking less risk compared to trading. Yes. So you will say why people choose trading over investing? Good question. So next point. Fourth, time commitment and lifestyle in trading and investing. Answer is very simple. People are too impatient. They want to become rich overnight without putting any effort or very less effort. That's why they think that trading is like magic which can change their destiny in one trade. And do you know what? Trading actually does changes their destiny. They were earning decent before trading. After trading, they are in massive loss. Though I was joking, but it was a fact. Comment below yes or no. In trading, you need to buy and sell in short span of time. There is a probability that you can multiply your income or destroy your income in that short span. Whereas in investing, one has to have patience. They need to hold the particular stocks for let's say at least 10, 15, 20 or even more than that. But they actually make money out of it if they had done their homework in a right way. Note, success and money comes to those who have patience. Now it's in your choice. Do you know how the lifestyle of trader is? See this. An investor, see this. I hope you can relate. Number 5, skills needed in trading and investing. In trading, you need to know technical analysis, staying updated with market news, lots of learning, and most important is that quick decision making ability, emotionally strong, bounce back mindset, and so on and on. Whereas in investing, one should know fundamental analysis, financial statement, etc. But do you know what? By chance, if you know little bit less in investing, it's fine because you have long time horizon. That is what you have advantage. Whereas in trading, you need to be you can say that you need to be accurate. There is no chance of missing your target. Otherwise, game over because the time horizon in trading is very less. You don't get a chance to rectify your mistake. Either you make it or you lose it. Number 6, psychological aspect. In trading, one have to face the emotional challenges, deal with frequent losses, risk, maintaining discipline, and all that. Whereas in investing, one should have lots of patience, staying calm during market downturns, and the most important, to avoid panic selling. Number 7, comparison between trading versus investing. In trading, it is for short term, whereas investing is for long term. Basically, traders have profit mindset while investors have growth mindset. In trading, there is more risk involved as compared to investing where it is less risk. In trading, one should know technical analysis. In investing, one should know fundamental analysis. Trading requires high capital, whereas investing requires low capital. In trading, one has to buy and sell, whereas in investing, one has to buy and hold. Trading, what I think is that trading is not for beginners who are just entering the stock market, whereas investing, one can start stock market journey with the investing. Number 8, case studies. Jesse Livermore was an American trader. Do you know what? He made $100 million in 1929 market crash. Before you make your mind that you also want to make $100 million, see what happened next. He lost all his money by 1934 and took his whole life in 1940. Now say, whereas Warren Buffett is right now the 8th on top 10 richest person in the world as of May 2024. Listen, after listening and watching all the stats and data, I know you might have lots of questions. Do comment below, but before that, how to choose what is for you. There are multiple factors which can help you to decide which is good for you, trading or investing. Number 1, financial goals. If you are looking for creating wealth for long term, then investing is good for you. But if you are looking to book profit in short term, then you need to go for trading. Number 2, risk tolerance. In investing, risk is low. If you are a person who cannot take high risk, then investing is not for you. And if you can afford to take a risk, then investing is for you. Number 3, capital. Investing requires less capital. If you have less capital, again, investing is for you. And trading requires more capital. If you have more capital, you can go for trading. Number 4, emotional. If you don't have control over yourself, then trading is not for you. But if you have strong command on your emotion, then trading is for you. But wait, all that was totally unbiased comparison. So for a minute, keep your ego and everything aside and listen what I'm going to say. If you know that 99% trader lose money in trading, why you yourself always assume that you are in the top 1% trader? Making money demands your honesty, not your ego. There are countless ways to make money. Why you want to play such a game where you know that out of 100 only one is going to get everything? I am not at all against trading. I am against you that if you know that you are losing money but still keep on losing money and satisfying your ego just because your so-called influencer are putting that screenshot that they are making so much amount in one trade. Are you crazy? You can't blindly follow anyone. You can't do this. I do respect you need money in short term. Go and work. There are so much plenty options. I know you will not do just because you are lazy. You want to become rich in one night. Anyways, my personal opinion is that if you are a beginner, you can start your stock market journey with the help of investing. And if you have proper and good knowledge about trading, then only start with a small amount that by chance if you lose, you don't make yourself bankrupt. But note, whether you do investing or trading, you have to learn. You need to know about personal finance. But wait, are you also confused with which investment option is right for you? Then watch this video.